Hi, I'm Teacher Opo, your math teacher for today. Hello! Our lesson for today is about algebra. Okay, so what is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics dealing with symbols and the rules for manipulating those symbols. In elementary algebra, those symbols today, written as Latin and Greek letters, represent quantities without fixed values known as variables. In this lesson, pag-aaralan din natin yung about sa variables. So, malalaman natin mamaya kung ano nga ba ang variables. Basic algebra, an introduction. Okay, you may have heard that algebra is a difficult topic, right? Don't worry. Here's a basic algebra lesson using a really simple way to get started. If you already know simple arithmetic, you are ready to start. Okay? These are the basics. Ito yung pag-aaralan natin. Yung basic. Tsaka yung pinakamadali para isolve ang isang algebraic expressions. Okay? The basics. The first thing to grasp is that when we have an equation, both sides have exactly the same value. Ibig sabihin, kung meron tayong isang equation, ang both sides niya ay exact same value. For example, magbibigay tayo ng example ng isang equation. 6 is equal to 6. Actually, that is an equation. Simple enough, right? This is an equation. 6 is equal to 6. We change the equation a little by introducing simple arithmetic operations that you already know. Kung napanood nyo yung video natin about PEMDAS, actually, kung napanood nyo yung previous video natin about sa PEMDAS, order of operations, actually magagamit nyo yun dito. For example, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. That is correct. Another one. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. That is correct also. This is an equation. They have the same value. 4 plus 2 is equal to 2 times 3 is an equation. 4 plus 2 is equal to 2 times 3. They are the same in value. So that makes an equation. Nasusundan nyo ba? Easy to follow so far, right? Okay. The next step is something you may done in arithmetic quizzes in grade school. Actually, grade school pa to. At alam kong natatandaan nyo to. This is just a review. Okay, napapansin nyo yung box na red na yan? Inalis natin yung value na yan. Now, we are ready for basic algebra. 4 plus m is equal to 2 times 3. So, if you are asked to fill in the box, you can do the simple arithmetic and know the answer should be actually 2. Now we are ready for basic algebra. Let's substitute the box with the letter m. And this is and we have this equation, 4 plus m is equal to 2 times 3. In the equation above, the letter m is known as a variable. Right. That letter m is a variable. So, what is variable? Variables are defined as numbers that can change value or represent a missing value, an unknown value. Variables are usually represented by letters of the alphabet, and the letters X, Y, and Z are most commonly used. Actually, any letters you can use. Of course, in this equation, we know that letter M is equal to 2. So why it is called variable? Well, that's the way algebra is. You may think of it this way. If you were just given the equation without any of the earlier discussions, then M would be unknown until you solve the arithmetic. That's the idea of variables in algebra. Anyway, variables are defined as numbers that can change value or represent a missing value, an unknown value. Variables are usually represented by letters of the alphabet, and the letters X, Y, and Z are most commonly used. Okay, any letters, we can use any letters actually. Now we have a real basic algebra equation, and the goal is to solve for the variable m. That means to find the value of m in the equation. An algebra equation would be given as 4 plus m is equal to 2 times 3. Now, we are asked to solve for the letter m or unknown m. In solving our first equation, we must get rid of the 4 to isolate m by transposition. Actually, this is the technique we use in solving. Uh, in this algebra lesson, I introduced to you a technique known as transposition. This is the most common way to solve algebraic equations. The basic principles of algebraic equations, all equations have two sides, a left side and a right side. So in transposing number 4 to the right side from left side, we are changing the positive value of the number into negative value. Kung negative naman yan, magiging positive naman yung value niya. So that is the principle of transposition. Using transposing, we now isolate the letter m or the unknown m. M is equal to 2 times 3 minus 4. Okay, remember the video about PEMDAS or order of operations? We will apply it here. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So, yung matitira na lang sa kanya ay yung 6 minus 4. So, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So, m is equal to 2. Okay. Easy, right? That means if m is equal to 2, we will change the value of unknown m into 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 2 times 3. So 6 is equal to 6. Okay, we have solved our first algebra equation. Remember, the goal is to get the variable alone by doing the same thing to each side of the equation. With this, you have a good understanding of basic algebra, and now you should be able to solve other equations like 6 plus m equal to 11 or 11 minus m equal to 7. Otherwise, you may want to reread this lesson. Easy, right? Okay. Are you ready for an exciting exercises? Okay. Solve the following algebraic expressions. Number 1. 2 plus y minus 5 equals to 4. Z minus 6 is equal to 5 times 3. So, pag nakakita kayo ng naka-parenthesis na numbers, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay multiplication ng operation na gagawin niyo dyan. Number 3, 4 plus 2 minus 3 equal to k minus 1. 4. Number 4, 8 plus 10 minus h equal to 2 times 2. Number 5. 2 plus 4 minus 4 equal to v plus 8. Para sa tamang kasagutan, download from the link below for correct answers and solutions. So naglagay tayo ng download link dyan para dyan nyo kunin ang tamang sagot. Ito maganda. If you got all the correct answers, comment down below. Surprising prizes awaits you. Be honest! Para sa karagdagang lesson about mathematics, subscribe! Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you! Hanggang sa muli mga kaopo. Bye-bye!